Hey everyone, it's Miss Frehner, and I just wanted to take a quick couple minutes and let you know about something really cool we've got going on in 4th grade over the next couple weeks. We've got caterpillars. These are the painted lady larva. The larva is the caterpillar stage in the 4-stage life cycle of a butterfly. She said it's painted lady, so the butterflies will look like this when they reach the adult stage. The 4 stages of a butterfly's life cycle is the egg stage. Second is the larva, which is what stage these butterflies are in right now because they are caterpillars. The 3rd stage is the pupa, which is when they form their chrysalis. And the final stage, the 4th stage, is the adult stage, which is when they become butterflies. So, right now, like I said, they are in the larva stage. They are caterpillars. Butterflies are insects. They have 6 legs and 3 body parts. Sometimes it looks like they have more legs, and we call those false legs on caterpillars. They actually only have 6 legs. The false legs help them just to move around. At the bottom of this container, the brownish substance is their food. Their food is made out of plants. So it's just a bunch of plants that have been, or the plants that they eat, that have been all blended up and made into kind of a thick paste that we can put on the bottom here and allow them to eat and to grow and to store energy for when they're in the pupa stage and turning into a butterfly. Another thing you might notice in here is the silk. Look at that guy moving around. He's moving around on that silk. Okay, so right now he's upside down. But the silk, you can see, is something that the caterpillars form on their own. It helps them to move around and to make a nice little home. It helps them to climb. And so in nature, caterpillars will do the same thing. They make the silk, they form the silk on the leaf that they create their home on. And then this silk they also produce to help form their chrysalis and to help them hang their chrysalis from the top. And then again, in nature, they would be hanging their chrysalis from a branch or a twig or a leaf stem or even the bottom of a leaf. So let's see, some other things you might be wondering about. You can see those black dots in there that are not part of caterpillars, that are not part of the caterpillars that are in here. Caterpillars, as they grow, because these guys started out really, really teeny tiny, and they're getting bigger and bigger every day. And as they grow, their exoskeleton, so like we have our skeleton on the inside, but insects have them on the outside. So they're called an exoskeleton. Their exoskeleton gets too small for them, and so they have to get rid of it, and they shed their original body part, and then as their new one grows in and as they get bigger and bigger. So that's what those black dots are. The other dots that are like the same color as their food, that is the waste product of their food. So they ate the food and they took the nutrients from it, their bodies took the nutrients, and then the solid that is left is the waste. And so that's what those brown dots are. Okay, so you can see right now, oh, he was moving. I think he just got shy. So, sometimes they're really active. This one's moving around a little bit. He's actually eating. Sometimes they're really active, and sometimes they're just taking a rest and getting prepared for the big journey they have in forming their chrysalids. So you will have a chance to log in to a website that I will be live streaming the caterpillars and check out what they're doing. I will have the live stream available from 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock every day. So if you want to log in and check out and see what those caterpillars are doing and how they're growing and if they've turned into the pupa form yet, if they formed their chrysalids, you can log in. You will just go to ustream.tv and then in the search bar, search for Heather Frehner. It will bring it up to our channel, which is Miss Frehner's Butterflies, and you can check out what they are doing. When they turn into butterflies, I will definitely record the release of the butterflies, and I'm going to try and set up a release date where we can all meet together at a park and release the butterflies. So if you have any questions, let me know. And I hope that you guys enjoy our butterflies. See you later.